Welcome to Tech Explained, where you get to be captivated by 30 minutes of the most satisfying machines and ingenious tools. But first, I want to ask you, do you have any idea how nice it feels to press the subscribe button and notification bell? You absolutely have to try it. What if I told you that you could print a boat on a 3D printer? It's hard not to get hooked on this. Oh, you've never seen bread being made in a factory. Let's fix that. The power of a red-hot metal forging machine is mind-blowing and simply unimaginable. Watch how these synchronized gears create the perfect spring. The simplicity and efficiency of this meat grandeur is honestly surprising. It turns out that the process of creating reinforcement cages is way more complicated than you would imagine. I never knew how much I wanted to work in a cupcake factory until now. It's only thanks to this hydraulic crimping machine that cable slings are so firmly connected to each other. This must be the boss of the magnets. All it takes is a single movement, and the cheese head is perfectly sliced. It's so satisfying I could watch this forever. There's no way anything could be better than an ice cream factory. Check out this super efficient fruit tree pruning machine. It's fascinating to watch the process of making a motorcycle stator. Get your firewood ready for winter in no time with this incredible machine. And when it comes to chopping wood, nothing is better than this machine. Prepare to be amazed because this mechanism can outshine any sculptor. Now I'm wondering why I even had to go to art school in the first place. While the precision with which this tool gets the job done is truly amazing. I can't believe this is the work of an assembly line and not actual magic. Now look at how smooth fruit packaging can be. The only thing more beautiful than fresh paint is the process of packaging it. Awesome, this machine cuts through heavy stone like bread. You wouldn't believe how complicated the process of creating a single brush is. My town's roads definitely need this road hammer. After a polishing like this, these rims will shine even in the gloomiest of weather. Even the largest roll of cardboard can't withstand the power of this tool. It's amazing how a rug can look as good as new with this cleaning device. I bet you'll never guess what they manufacture here. It's those big plastic barrels. Words can't describe how hooked I am on this process. When a road needs to be cut, a 91-inch saw gets the job done. Send this to a friend who will appreciate the size of this pancake. Look at what a piece of red-hot metal can become. Impressive, right? Wait for it, you're gonna love it. And here's how they put that reflective tape on vests. Unbelievable! There is an entire automated system for distributing soil, fertilizer, and seed for greenhouses. Just scan any model, and this machine will cut it from 1 to 5 scale meal. It's fantastic. Be warned, you might get hungry after seeing this pizza factory. Watch how the seats automatically become deluxe after this sewing machine does its work. I'm pretty sure you already want a noodle-making machine for yourself, so don't you? Take a look at the impressive power of this metal bending machine. Thanks to this miracle tool, you can save time and effort when harvesting green. Watching a topsoil cutting machine in action is pure satisfaction. Just look at how precisely this automatic machine sorts fish by weight and size. This must be the most enjoyable metal bending process ever. It turns out that wood can be cut like meat, and it looks amazing. For all you pancake lovers out there, here's a tour of a factory where they are produced in large quantities. You just have to see how a 10,000-ton hammer forges apart. I beg your grandma would love an automatic knitting machine like this. This may look like hot cheese, but it's actually how road markings are made. Witness how a glass cup is made. The efficiency of this cheese slicing system that can make 250 cuts per minute is actually quite impressive. Forget ladders and rollers. Just watch the robotic painter do its thing. This video makes me want to go out and clean up my lawn. The chances of a fire occurring are reduced to 0 with this amazing exhaust fan. Look on in amazement as a laser print is made on a lens. It's amazing how a stream of water can cut iron more effectively than any saw. Thanks to this machine that can clean up to 300 tons of trash per day, the sea will never become dirty. Just enjoy watching how this wire gets packaged. When you see a laser cutting tool, a grinder seems like something from the last century. Prepare yourself for a really satisfying moment. This isn't magic. It's a robotic machine that can turn ordinary dough into amazingly shaped cookies. You're going to love how precise this fish slicer is. This slicer definitely knows what the perfect steak looks like. This is pure hypnosis. Have you ever seen a 3D printer that uses cement? Now you have. You will definitely enjoy the smooth operation of a cotton packing machine. If you've ever had trouble peeling fruit, you've got to see this. How do you like this pile driver? Introducing the world's first remote-controlled road marketing machine. I'm afraid I could spend my whole day watching this machine at work. Now witness the mesmerizing process of egg sorting in a factory. This is how easy and fast a label applicator works. Prepare to be amazed by the best. Metal stripping ever done? Wow behind huge car tires is an even more gigantic production process. Amazing, this must be Willy Wonka's chocolate factory on a whole different level. You've never seen automated baking equipment make cookies this perfect. And just like that, a robot will turn your room into an art gallery. Here's what happens after you recycle your glass. And then another factory uses it to make new bottles. Check out how dough gets rolled out on an industrial scale. You can't even imagine how many days of hard work with a shovel have been avoided thanks to this powerful ditch digger. Burning wood has never looked so easy. Believe me, you're going to want to put this on repeat. Is there a job position where you have to watch this machine work? Look at the size of this tree, but rest assured this sock can handle it.